Hello and welcome to another episode of The Voyage. I'm Kimberly Bustede and I am so thrilled that you could join us again today. Well, can you believe another year is winding down, but we are all winding up the holiday spirit as we come together to celebrate the Princess Yachts Australia Christmas party. And really, it wouldn't be quite right unless I got my little hands on the perfect boat drink, thanks to our friends here at the Intercontinental Sanctuary Cove. Cocktail, anyone? The Princess Pineapple Daiquiri. Here is what you'll need. 50 ml of Bacardi white rum, 15 ml of cherry liqueur, 20 ml of lime juice, 50 ml of pineapple juice. Pop that into a shaker with a little bit of ice and voila. Thank you, Jay. The Princess Pineapple Daiquiri. Oh, tastes like summer. A short hop from Veranda Bar and that very tasty cocktail is the venue for tonight's gathering. Many of our owners will join us this evening as we feast on creamy Sydney rock oysters and salty sweet Mooloolaba prawns. As plenty of familiar faces start to appear, there is one couple who we haven't seen for a while who have plenty to celebrate after taking possession of their Princess V57 this week. Michael and Chelsea Lonnie have been searching for the right sort of boat for a while, and as luck would have it, they recently found the perfect candidate in Latitude. Cheers! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you. I couldn't think of a more beautiful spot for a Friday afternoon champagne. How did this come about?
Well, we used to own a Princess V58 and we loved the style, we loved the design, we loved the layout, the functionality, one level with kids, especially young kids, but also as soon as the parents come on board, we're all out there on the daybed, you know. So the opportunity to work with Scott to buy his boat for the V57 was a perfect opportunity for us. So it didn't take us long. Scott rang and said, I'm on my way back from Hamilton Island. He's sending photos of the Princess Yachts experience.
And Mike rings me and goes, we've bought a boat.
Yeah.
Which is the only time ever you'd go, thanks darling.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah. So it was a very quick deal from there. The decision was sort of made because we knew the boat, and then it was, you know, going through it with Scott, and he was fantastic. So.
Well, I'd like to say he's a good salesman, but the boat sells itself, doesn't it? It does look brand new. So what's the big grand voyage?
Well, for summer, we're going to leave Chelsea's parents' house off the dock and go straight out with our kids, meet up with 6 or 7 other boats, and have raft up for 2 or 3 weeks' time. But at the same time, we're looking forward to trying to go for a bit of a bigger adventure. We're looking at the little cove inside of Double Island Point, up into Fraser with Umber Creek, and if the weather gods are good to us, Musgrave Island.
And how special for you, both of you who love this industry so much, to have your kids at such a young age, getting their feet wet and learning the ropes?
They are water babies, and we look forward to taking them next year up with the Princess Yachts Home and Island experience.
A big part of owning a princess is you become part of that Princess Yacht family. Yeah. Tonight we've got the Christmas party. Are you excited to catch up with old friends?
Yeah, it'd be great to meet up with everyone tonight, and then on our first night, the party's just 100 metres away, and we're going to spend the night here and cruise home tomorrow.
Congratulations again,
Cheers.
team.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
So thrilled for you.
Thank you.
It's been a great 12 months for Princess in Australia, with a dozen boats sold this year and 6 already on order and set for delivery in the new year. 2023 will see the unveiling of the new S72 at the Dusseldorf Boat Show. There is plenty of talk about this new addition to the Princess lineup, and an Australian order for the boat may well be just around the corner. With strong showings at both Sanctuary Cove and Sydney Boat Show this year, and the annual Owners Trip North and Hayman Island Rendezvous, Greg and the team have had a massive year and are thrilled to host guests tonight. Greg, normally towards Christmas everything starts to slow down, but you've probably had one of your busier days.
Oh, it's crazy, Kimberly. So this morning we went to Brisbane, we unloaded a 72 off the ship, and we had to wait there for a few hours. Now, the weather today was pretty treacherous. But we got the boat off and we got the function set up and we're here. Great team at Princess, and it's going to be a spectacular night. Now we've got our clients here, our customers, our boating family, and also our subcontractors, and the people we use during the year to help us get the boats together and work on our customer boats. This year's been crazy. We've delivered 12 boats. We've got more coming next year. We've got 4 to deliver before Christmas, and it's going to be a crazy run up to Christmas, but we've got the best team to make that happen.
And 2023, bigger and better, dare I say?
Absolutely. We've got all these boat shows that we're doing and events for our clients, and it's just an evolution of what Princess is all about. Lots of family, lots of events, and making people happy.
And with the Peroni, Veuve Clicquot and Hentley Farm wine flowing freely, it's time to pull out the moves like Jagger to really get the party moving. It's easy to see that this crew are very happy in each other's company. This shared passion of boating, of family, the ocean and exploration have brought them on a journey that has enriched their lives beyond doubt. Life on the water will do that for you. That's our show done. What a night, what a year we have had here at Princess Yachts Australia, and we are so excited to see what the new year brings, new boats and new adventures. And if you want to check out the exquisite range of Princess Yachts we have, please do get in touch with Greg and the team at Princess Yachts Australia. Have a wonderful Christmas. We'll see you next year.